Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 21. Quick bar chart with the REPT repeat function. Now you don't have to use an Excel chart to create this look. Instead, you can do it with the REPT repeat function. So to make this work, I'm going to type in a formula equals REPT open parenthesis double quote, and then I will insert a pipe and then double quote comma. What I want to do is multiply this value by the scale here and press F4 to log that. Now I close parenthesis, hit enter and fills this down. Now I head up to format this red and I change the font to Playbill, and then I align it to right, and there we have the left side. Now we do the same for the right side. Equals REPT open parenthesis double quotes pipe double quotes comma the value which is 76% multiplied by the scale, and I will press F4 to freeze it, close parenthesis, enter. Copy this down, then change the font to Playbill, change the color to green, and we are done. Plus one little note to find the pipe. This is usually the right of the keyboard between the enter key and the backspace, and have to press shift to get it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos like this and for the next part of the video, keep connected. Adios.